Losing your keys, your wallet, or your bag is about to become a thing of the past. Digging through couch cushions, retracing your steps, hoping you left it somewhere safe. It's stressful, and it wastes your time. Meet the Apple AirTag 2nd generation, Apple's smartest way yet to keep track of what matters. Setup takes seconds. Just bring it near your iPhone or iPad, and it's ready to go. With expanded precision finding, your iPhone and Apple Watch guide you straight to it, with up to 1.5 times the range of the original. And when you're close, a 50% louder speaker helps you zero in fast. It's the most findable AirTag Apple has ever made. Built for everyday life, splash, rain, and dust resistant, so it keeps working wherever life takes it. Clip it to your keys, slide it in your bag, or tuck it into a suitcase, and always know exactly where it is. Apple AirTag 2nd generation. Never lose what matters again. Link in the description.